Hi, let's unbox together. The Magical Mystery Bead Box for June has arrived. After the Frida box for May, I am so excited to see what we've got in here. Let's delve. June's Magical Mystery Bead Box has arrived. Now, I've just cut this open, which I'm glad I did because these stickers, wow, they are built for transit. I have genuinely no idea what's in here, so let's open her up together. There we go. Okay, so June 2023 is howdy, howdy, howdy. Long live cowgirls, apparently. Fantastic. I'm not going to turn this over just yet because I want to see what we have at the same time as you do. Check this out. Beautiful, beautiful colours here. Proper turquoise coloration. Open filigree heart beads. And I love these open beads as well. Gorgeous silver tones to go with the metallics, but I also see that with those turquoise tones we've got classic oranges, stone colours, more silver metallics, including that incredible cattle skull. Let's pop that one down at the bottom there for a second. That's a cool little box. Beautiful pieces in there, feisty oranges, beautiful turquoise colours, golden tones mixed in. You've even got some suedette or suede little tassels in there. They're really cool. We've got some golds as well. That's a gorgeous chain. I'm not sure if they're flowers or stars. Either way, I'm absolutely 100% here. Loving it so far. Let's see what's next. We've got connectors in an antique bronze, a golden tone and antique silver tones. So that's got all of our bases covered with metallics. These look like they go together. That looks like the connector to go with your strip of patterned leather. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, check these out. Cowgirl Spirit, this is called. Connectors and little charms. These are fantastic. I love working with angular pieces like this. Beautiful. And something that you'll see sort of triangular forms in all kinds of civilizations around the world. It's really quite a spiritual shape to work with. Last but not least, we have this gorgeous, I'm going to call it paperclip chain. Let's get this out and have a quick look. I don't know if that's the right name for it or not. How gorgeous is that? Absolutely love this box. What an inspiration. One of the things I love most about your Magical Mystery Bead Box is that you get inspired to put things together maybe you wouldn't have thought out before. I don't know. I'm looking forward to working with this one and I hope you are too. This is Jesse James Beads. Howdy, howdy, howdy for June 2023.